Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is actually a little incoming rack. This is from Tricia. Thank you so much, girlie. Her cute little note, which I already read. And you guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, Flourish is one of my favorite collections. And she did send me some of the little standouts. And I think I only have one, maybe 2 packs of this if I do, because I couldn't find them at Tuesday morning. So I'm super excited about that. And then look, the Halloween stickers when I could not find them originally. So cute. I'm obsessed with this, and I will be using these because this pumpkin matches perfect with the paper collection that I just bought, and I bought the digital, so I'm gonna have that collection forever. And then these guys, the cute little boo. I actually only found one of these, this one, and I think there's one more, I can't remember. And I gave them away in a giveaway, and I didn't keep any for myself. So this is perfect. I love this little ice cream down here. Cute little, like, they're like 3-dimensional stickers as well. And then this one, the little black roses, the little skulls. Love the bat. And then you guys, look at how cute. She made some rosettes, and these are perfect for basically all the crepe paper collections, you guys. Look at these colors. Fun, pastel, and these are like super sturdy. I don't know what paper you used. Look at these gorgeous rosettes. This one looks like a little flower. This one almost blended in. Super cute. Thank you, girlie. A whole stash of rosettes. And this, it feels like glass. Let's see. Oh wow. Ooh, girl, look at these beads. These are fancy. Really fancy. Oh. Okay, well, maybe I shouldn't be doing this. But look at those are like, I don't even know what type of beads they look like they're like silver embossed looking. Cute. And then the other ones are pastel. Okay, I'm gonna put these back before I start losing them. Thank you so much for sharing with me. These are gorgeous. Look at those green ones. And even the purple have like a fancy little, okay, open that one. And then let's see this guy. Another cute little glass jar of some pink seed beads, and those are like the long skinny tube seed beads. Gorgeous. And you can just pop these in a sequin mix, and it just makes the sequin mix go from 0 to 10 real quick. So thank you so much, Tricia, for sharing with me. I love it. And these rosettes, putting them in my little jar right here, so they are just ready to roll and embellish. Thank you so much. And I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.